Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh. In today's lecture we'll learn how we can convert SVG to image using C#, and this video will be very short because there's not much to do that. It's very simple way of doing it. So let us see the code. First of all, in this code I am using one Nuget package, that is NReco.ImageGenerator. So this is a free, it is a paid one, but only for if you are using from converting HTML to image or SVG to image, it's free. So that part is free. So first you need to install this. Then what I am doing in my code is, first I am, like you can say, initializing one object of this class HTML to image converter. Then what I am doing is, wait a second, let me just collapse this one. So now what I am doing is, I am just opening my file browse dialog box. I will be selecting that SVG image, then I have to tell the image size. So this is the SVG I am using. Let me just open the SVG also in front of you so that you can look how the SVG looks. So this is my SVG which I am about to print. Okay, so this is the height and width which I will be using in my program to provide to my HTML image converter dot width and height, so that it can properly get the image and trim the extra space out of it. And then here I am just passing the file name and the format which I am doing. The thing is, this method will return an byte array. So here I am just converting that byte array into an image. So let me just show you how it practically works. If I just click here, I will select my p1.svg. I'll say click OK, and if I go here, it has just generated p1.svg.png. so here it is my image. Now one more thing, a lot of people use this for printing SVG. Now what happens, a lot of time the clarity of image will be very bad, okay, when you are converting it to SVG. The reason for that is, the SVG is kind of format which you can increase and decrease the size as per your wish, and it will automatically resize the content. Okay, so if you are getting a bad quality image, you can play with your width and height. I can just show you the example. So you just saw, this is the image. Okay, if I try to zoom in, it is still clarity because everything is SVG is a text, so it's kind of auto set itself. So here what I will do is, I will use some size which will help me to change my SVG. If I just now refresh, so if you see, the size of image has increased. So now if I use the same size in my code and try to convert the same SVG into this one, so let us see whether my code will be able to generate me a better quality image. So in the current one, the image you can see it's very small. Okay, and also if I go and check my resolution also of this image, it will be pretty less. It's same 320 by 422. So if I do now, it will ask me for the same file. I will replace this file. So if I check now for my file, so the resolution has changed 925 by 1220. If I open my image, and now here you see it is good in quality, and it was also resized. So if you are doing for printing purpose and other purpose you are taking, then you need to play with the size of SVG in the SVG itself. Okay, and then later on you can use it. So what I am doing is, here I am using this NReco.ImageGenerator. It's free, you can use in your application, and this is the sample code. If you need, I will be sharing the link of this code also. It's very simple, you can use that. If you have any question, you can mail me or contact me through my phone number also. My email ID is yogesh.mehla@gmail.com, and here is my phone number, so you can contact me on WhatsApp or Skype also. I'm available, you can search me. So if you have any question, put in the comments. If you want the code, please put your email ID in the contacts in the comments. I will mail it to you. If you are if you don't want to share your email ID, you can follow the link in the description to download the image also, this code also. Okay, I hope this tutorial is very simple and it's not that complicated. You can easily understand. If you have any question, please feel free to contact. Thank you. Bye bye.